Welcome to another video of picoCTF lab solving journey. Today we will be solving another lab called introToBurp, and here we just have to start the instance and try here to find the flag. So after clicking on the description, what we can see is there is a registration form and we have to use burp suite in order to solve this lab. And how can we do that? Let's see the hint first. Here it says try using burp suite to intercept requests to capture the flag. And the second hint says try mingling the request. Maybe their server-side code does not handle malformed requests very well. So as we can see, we have this registration form and we have to check using intercept the requests from of this server of this page and see if we can find the flag by switching the some code switching some request form. So let's see what this is the home and we will now run the burp suite. I have burp suite community edition. Just click OK. And now we will be running a temporary project. Hit next. Start burp. We will use burp suite's own browser for this website interception. We can also use Foxy proxy, but we will do that next time. In today's video, we will just use burp suite's original browser for intercepting the request. As we can see here, the burp suite has loaded, and in order to change the font setting, you can easily go to settings, then you go to user interface, then display. You can update the font size from here. Okay, now we have to first go to proxy, and now we will click on open burp suite. Before going into burp suite, the burp suite is basically a software that is used for vulnerability scanning, penetration testing, and web application security testing platform. And here we have different proxy server, web spider, intruder, repeater, everything. So for now, as we have opened clicked on open browser, and this displayed a browser from burp suite, and now we will paste the URL of the picoCTF website, and we can see the registration form is here. So let's just put some random info here. Phone number, so just put number, password. Now hit register, and before hitting register, click on intercept is on. Now click on the register button, and we can see that the CSRF token with a full name, username, phone number, everything just came here, and it's on hold, so we just forward this request. After forwarding the request, click forward again, and here they are asking for the 2FA authentication, and there are some gibberish words here which doesn't actually mean anything for now. What we will do is we will again forward, and we will again just click on the submit, and we can see the OTP is blank, and 2FA we just forward it again. So it says invalid OTP, so we need to somehow do something about this OTP. It says try to mingle the request. Maybe their server-side code doesn't handle malformed requests. We have to make the request malformed and see if we can get into dashboard again. So let's just go to the original page again. We put the name, username, phone number, city, password, then hit register. We have the CSRF token here. It's a post request. We just hit register and forward this packet. And the cookie session has changed. Again forward. Here there again we can put select this option, and we can see this these are some there are some contents here. We just forward it again, and in the 2FA authentication, if we leave it blank and click on submit, and you can see the connection is closed, OTP, we don't have any OTP because it's not valid. So if we just remove the OTP part from here, just erase it and forward this packet again. Well, looks like this process worked, and we have successfully bypassed the OTP request. Your flag is picoCTF OTP bypass success and some code. So since as they told that the server side code doesn't handle mail from request, so since we don't have the OTP on sent to the number, so we had to do the OTP portion. We had to remove the OTP portion and then send it. So if we just paste here and submit, and there we go, we have solved this challenge.